Hey guys, welcome back. This is a simple Arduino project for beginners. We are going to get the different LEDs turned on and off sequentially. We are doing this project using an Arduino Uno. For this, you need a breadboard, an Arduino, jumper wires, LEDs, and resistors. These resistors are of 220 ohms. The first step is to set up the hardware. Take a breadboard. Now we have to establish a common ground. To do this, use a jumper wire to connect the ground pin of the Arduino to the negative rail of the breadboard. Now we'll insert the resistors in the breadboard. These resistors are of 220 ohms. Now we'll connect the LEDs. For LEDs, polarity matters. So, connect negative lead, that is the shorter lead of the LED, to the horizontal rail on which the resistor is connected, and connect the positive rail onto the adjacent rail. Remember to connect both leads in a correct manner. If you change the LED leads, it might not work. Now we are going to use the output ports 13, 12 and 11 for the output signal. Connect the positive lead of the LED to pin 13 using a jumper wire. Now connect the positive lead of the next LED to pin 12 on the Arduino board. Similarly, connect the next LED to pin 12 of the Arduino using jumper wire. Now the circuit is complete. Connect your Arduino board to your computer using a USB cable. Now we are ready to write our sketch. We are using Arduino IDLE to write the sketch. If you don't have the software, make sure you download it for your specific operating system. The first step is to create three variables: LED 1, LED 2 and LED 3. Int LED 1 equal to 13. By this we mean that we are assigning pin 13 as LED 1, pin 12 as LED 2 and pin 11 as LED 3. The code in the setup part of the program tells the Arduino that 13, 12 and 11 will be the outputs. The first three digital write functions turns on the LED at a time with 200 milliseconds delay between them. The next three LED digital write turns off the LED with 300 milliseconds delay between them. You can change the delay between the LEDs to get different patterns. Now we are ready to upload the program. Click on the tick button there to compile your sketch. Now go to Tools and select your port. Again from Tools, select On Board and make sure you selected Arduino Uno. Now click on the Upload button to upload your program. Once your program is uploaded, your LED will immediately start to blink. Once the code is uploaded, the LEDs start blinking. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Subscribe to stay tuned. Thanks for watching.